In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your TeamWork 5 account. To do that, you will need your correct URL. For most of you, that's going to be teamwork.net/signin. However, some of you will have a custom URL. If you do, be sure to use that one. You should have 3 pieces of information: a code, your username, and your password. Enter that information in the box on the right under Manager. If you try using the box on the left, the employee one, it will not work. So first, enter your code. I'm going to say After Hours, which is a restaurant. Then I will do my username. We will use Max. And next, his password. After you have entered in your information correctly, choose Sign In. And you should arrive at your TeamWork 5 home page. That's how you can log in to your TeamWork 5 account. Check out the next video to learn how to change your password.